अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। आज हम बनाने जा रहे हैं प्रॉन मसाला। ये दूसरे मेथड से है, बहुत इजी है। इसको चाहिए 2 large onions sliced, 2 green chillies, a few curry leaves, 2 to 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, half kg prawns, fresh prawns, 2 teaspoons chilli powder, 1 teaspoon salt and quarter to half teaspoon turmeric powder. Keep a mud pot. When the pot is hot, add the coconut oil. Once the oil becomes hot, add the sliced onions and saute them till golden brown. When the onions are half done, add the curry leaves and the green chilli as well. Keep sauteing. Don't let it stick to the bottom. Once the onions turn golden brown, add the spice powders, chilli powder, turmeric powder and salt. Just mix for 10 seconds. Don't add any water. Now add the prawns. Mix well till the masala is coated all over the prawns. Keep on medium to low flame. You don't need to add any water for this. The prawns leaves its own water. Cover and cook on low flame for 10 minutes. Keep stirring in between. No need of adding water. Prawns leaves its own water. Prawn masala is ready to serve. Do try it out. Thank you for watching.